Hello everyone, it's been a while. I know, I've just haven't gotten the time to work on this, but we are back. So time, this is what we are gonna talk today. I'm gonna give you 5 expressions to use with talking about time and using the word time. Okay, so stay tuned. So time can be used in so many ways, and there are verbs that collocate with the word time. You can waste time, make time, but you cannot lose time. Losing time is a bit too specific for some kind of there is a physical condition in which you can use that, but no, not for regular business meetings. You're gonna use just waste time, make time, spend time. Okay, so the expressions, here we go. Lose track of time. What is that? When you are engrossed with something, very, very focused on a spreadsheet, for example, and you had a meeting at 5, but it's already 5:10. Oh my God, I lost track of time. That's what it means. Expression 2, lead time. Lead time is the time that it takes for something to be delivered. In SLAs, which stands for Service Level Agreement, there are lead times for responses. You should have a lead time for your email responses. It should be 24 hours, for example. That's lead time. Expression 3, timeline. Timeline is what you have in projects in which you have the periods of the year, the dates, the months, the quarters, in which each phase is going to be concluded. So that's a timeline. And in a timeline, you necessarily have dates, months, years. Now, time frame is the period of time necessary to do something. It's different from lead time. Lead time, it is the minimum necessary. It is a requirement for a deliverable. Whereas time frame, it is the period that is necessary for something to be done. So for example, there is a new project. What is the time frame for that project? Oh, that's gonna be 1 year and a half, 18 months. That's the time frame. And finally, timetable. Timetable is a schedule. It's a regular schedule. What's the timetable for our event next week? Oh, 8 o'clock, there's going to be an opening. 9 o'clock, the first keynote speaker is going to come onto the stage. That's your timetable. Timetables can be used as well for buses, trains, airplanes. And there you go. So, recapping, 5 expressions using the word time. Losing track of time. So that means that you kind of were focused on something and you kind of forgot what time that was. So lose track of time. And it's not lose time, it's lose track of time. So take notes so you don't forget. Number 2, lead time. Usually are KPIs you have or in SLAs. Time frame, timeline, timetable. So how are you going to memorize all that? First, take notes and write sentences in English, right? You could say something like, we provide services for a company, and in our SLA, the lead time to respond to critical tickets is 2 hours. So that's our lead time. In order to implement the response times and this kind of service in that particular company, we need a time frame of 6 months. And if we start in July, our timeline is going to be phase 1 starting in July and ending in September. Phase 2 starting in September and ending in November, and so on. And then you have the timeline, okay? And the timetable would be what we need for the training, for example. If we deliver a training for the people who are going to be using our services, then we have a timetable, opening at 8, keynote speaker at 9, and so on. So there you go. Now you know. If you like this content, click that button, subscribe for more content, and see you next time. Don't forget to leave your comments, huh? Thank you.